This is how we actually measure the point number 8, that is waist point. Okay, this is point number 9 that we call the waist point, and right above you can see the red tape, a kind of tape which shows the point number 8. It has the difference like between 1.5 inch, or you can say 4 cm almost. The point number 10 is waist point, that is also called the short body point. From top to bottom you can see in red tape. The first one is for the point number 8, that is called upper body waist point. The second one is 9 waist point, that is called the middle body waist point. And finally you can see the measuring tape, that is point number 10 and called the waist point short body. The total difference between from top to down, that is from point number 8 to point number 10, is almost 7 to 8 cm, which is equal to like you make measure like 4 inches maximum, for 3 to 4 inches. Okay, that is point number 11, that is waist binding position. You must have to define one binding position. You have 3 binding position in the measurement chart. One for point number 8, that is upper body. Second for point number 9, that is middle body, and 10th finally, that is for short body. So you can choose any binding position as per your choice and which is convenient to you. Please remember, the binding position is very critical and necessary. So the overall pant length is totally dependable on your binding position. So be careful while choosing your pant binding position, because it can affect your pant length. Thank you. That is the point number 12, which is called side length of a pant. As you see, you must have to select one binding position first to measure your point number 12, that is side length. If for example you are choosing the waist point number 9, which is middle body waist point, you must have to go through slightly down till underneath to your feet. This is how you can measure your side length. Thank you. That is point number 13, which you see that how to measure your hips. You must round the measuring tape like in this direction. You may see
so can you give me your email
that gives you your hips measurements. Thank you. That is point number 14, that elaborate the thighs measurement. You must round the tape like in this direction, and please make sure you must have to down from 5 cm down from crotch point. Your measuring tape must be 5 cm down to crotch point, that is your crotch point, and then 5 cm down, and then you just round the tape. Thank you. Okay, that is the point number 15, that how to measure your knee. That is point number 15, and you can see the knee measurements. You just have to round the tape at your knee, and you can have your knee measurement. Okay, that is point number 16, in which you see that how to measure your inside leg length. Please make sure your one edge of measuring tape must be at your crotch point, and then you just have to go down to your underneath of feet. See again, from your crotch point to your underneath of feet.